bobby pins and twists in my head. It's ghetto. Y'all probably like, it's time to take these babies out. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. You know it's your girl Kiara Tashe back with another video. Today in this video I will be showing you guys the takedown of my plaits. As you guys can see, I have so much buildup. My hair is coming out the braids and it's just time to take those babies out.
Wait till you see the. No.
When you remove the dandruff and the buildup from your hair, the first thing you're going to do is get some oil and then place that through your hair to lift up the buildup, and then just some water and you comb it out, and it makes it way more easy, you guys. I came back once I finished half of my head when taking the braids out. It just had the minutes too long on the video and I didn't want to have to crop everything out. So I'm going to show you guys the other half of my head of me taking out my braids. All I did was put oil and water to take out the removal, and my hair still looks healthy. And I basically knocked out two birds with one stone because I took my plaits out and I detangled it at the same time. So guess what? Guess. All I gotta do is freaking wash my hair and deep condition. So thank you guys so much for joining in with me with taking out my plaits to see my growth, to see how I remove my plaits so it'd be easier to wash and to handle without pulling out your hair, because you really have to be careful when you're taking your plaits out, you guys. Please, you guys, if you haven't already, please like this video, please subscribe to my channel, and please turn on that notification bell so you guys can get notified every time I upload a video, okay? Because you got to get notified to get these videos. So thank you guys so much. I love all of you. Thank you for all the support, still sticking with me throughout this journey. This hair journey has been long, stressful, and I still have so much more to come to. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.